The mining industry is evolving. Demand for critical minerals, the push for sustainable operations, and the shift toward automation are transforming the industry. To stay competitive, you need solutions that are smarter, more resilient, and built to perform under pressure. For over 152 years, Epiroc has worked alongside mining operations, like yours, to stay ahead of industry challenges. They engineer advanced mining products and digital solutions for surface and underground equipment, supported by world-class manufacturing and service. Every solution is designed to help you achieve safer, more productive, and more sustainable operations. From high-performance dragline buckets and GET components to fixed plant equipment and wear parts, every piece of equipment is built for efficiency, reliability, and safety. Whatever the challenge, their expertise ensures your operation keeps running at its best. And because even the best equipment needs support, Epiroc makes sure you're never on your own. Their renowned on-site service and support teams are there when you need them most, maximizing uptime, optimizing performance, and keeping your operation running smoothly every day. Their digital solutions turn your real-time data into actionable insights so you can make smarter decisions, predict maintenance, and optimize operations. Precision, control, and intelligence boost your productivity while lowering cost and risk. These insights don't just improve operations, they drive innovation. Within their global network of foundry and fabrication facilities, every component you rely on is produced with precision, quality, and reliability. Each project begins with detailed engineering drawings based on research and market analysis. Advanced drafting and simulation software ensures optimal casting performance, while on-site metallurgists and casting designers guarantee the highest standards. Innovation and manufacturing alone aren't enough. By partnering with industry leaders and maintaining a flexible supply chain, they make sure you have access to the right equipment, parts, and expertise whenever and wherever you need them. Their global service network ensures support never stops. Because mining never stands still, neither does Epiroc. At the heart of mining, it's always about people like you. Operators, engineers, maintenance teams, and managers drive performance every day. Epiroc's experts work alongside you, tackling real challenges on site and creating solutions that make a tangible difference. Safety and sustainability are never afterthoughts. Every product, system, and process is designed to protect you and your team and reduce environmental impact. From surface operations to underground tunnels, Epiroc's equipment performs reliably in even the harshest conditions, helping you stay productive and safe. At Epiroc, we're accelerating the transformation.